After weak reports from Macy's and Walmart, what can we expect from Best Buy and Home Depot? Both companies report next week. I'm here with Jim Cramer. Jim, Walmart is to a degree an economic indicator.
Yes,
so are you concerned that, say, for Home Depot, it'll go the way of Walmart and we'll see people just aren't spending any money on their homes?
Well, what's an interesting, we're at an inflection point here. The housing group is the worst group for the year, okay? When Home Depot reports next week, it will already have come down a lot because of the similarities to Walmart. Best Buy hasn't come down at all. But there is a underlying trend that people believe in, which is that people are still spending on hard goods, still spending on their home. They've cut back on apparel. This is going to be the great test of that theory, Brittany. I'll tell you why. Because John Chambers said something earlier this week about how he couldn't be that positive, given when you see Walmart report such a bad number. Well, I mean, will Home Depot in the future, which is what matters, will Frank Blake say, listen, I'm pretty positive, but then again, when I saw what happened with Walmart, I have to be worried. Or would Best Buy do that? I'm talking about a negative feedback loop that we're having right now, which is that others are talking about others and they're not that good and they're taking their cue from other companies that are disappointing. So Brittany, here's my thinking. I think Home Depot, if it comes in, you buy. I would even buy half ahead if it's down lower. Okay, I'd buy half ahead. And the reason is because we've taken out a lot of the expectations for these companies. They're not as good as buying Gap stores right here, not as good as buying Costco right here, but they are going to be the test of this bull market. To see whether we get to another level, they have to stabilize. And I think Home Depot does. I'm not sure about Best Buy because it's up so much.
Well, so if you are bullish on real estate long term, this is actually a time of opportunity for Home Depot.
I'm going to say if it's lower than where it went out this week, yes.
And how much of a correlation, though, with Walmart's numbers do you think they are to Best Buy?
Great question. Best Buy is all hard good. Walmart is substantial not hard good. My thinking is that Best Buy is a company that everybody loves right now, and that worries me. I don't want to be in the loved. I want to be in the unloved. Right. Suddenly, Home Depot's losing a lot of love. That's more attractive to me.
All right. Thanks so much, Jim Cramer. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.